Institutional care has been described as a promising sector for the application of socially assistive robots, for example as companions for older people, reminding them about activities of daily living or of taking their medicine. It has also been shown that the development of these robots has been dominated by technical challenges and is often based on assumptions or stereotypes about the target group. This impression was also confirmed by the institutional stakeholders that we interact with. As a consequence, we decided to take a strong user perspective into account and created an interdisciplinary team consisting of engineers, ethnographers, designers, care personnel, and of course the primary users. We call this research strategy From Social Practice to Social Robots, with the main argument that we need to focus on the practices around the tasks that we want to automate to be able to integrate and not only disrupt the work and living routines in the institutional setting. The different disciplines contribute to this research strategy by their own methods and research questions or their best practice guidelines. Our research process usually starts with an ethnographic study where all team members participate to study care practices in context. Result of the ethnographic study is a preliminary project catalogue that is further developed during workshops with staff and potential users, which serves two purposes: collect valuable contextual information as well as ensuring that staff and users become also project owners for the following development process. Having decided on the general project idea, we start the co-creation process with the user, where we in a series of workshops develop design and functionality of the robot, starting with simple drawings over cardboard models to first working prototypes. When the whole team has converged on a viable solution, we then start producing the robot at our own workshops, making use of current maker technologies like laser cutting and 3D printing. The finished product is then deployed and further tested in context, leading more often than not to further iterations. Is this a scalable approach for robot development? Maybe not, but it allowed us to gain insights into the practices surrounding assistive robot technology in institutional care, especially in regard to interactions with special needs users. The three main results from this project are a complex process model for reminding processes in institutional care that informs the further development of socially assistive robots. A new interaction model for institutional settings, moving from classical dialogical interaction to interaction with several users with different participation roles. And last but not least, a proof of concept for user-driven modular robot development.